kung i-discuss namin ang Islam, kaagad sabihin nila, kailan ba lumabas ang Islam? Compare sa Christianity. Anong ibig sabihin? Tama sila dahil ang iniisip nila, una daw ang Christianity. Okay, tingnan natin. Sa Hinduism, i-compare natin ang Hinduism at Christianity. Sino ang una? Ang Hinduism, according to the record, lumabas ito 15th century BCE. Ang Zoroastrianism, kailan lumabas? 10 BCE to 5 BCE. 10 centuries. Okay. Ang tinatawag na Judaism, lumabas ang Judaism, 2nd century millennium, okay, to BCE, ibig sabihin 200 years before Christ lumabas ang Judaism. Jainism, lumabas 8th century BCE, 8th century, 800 years before Christianity. 600 years, 6th century lumabas. Buddhism, lumabas 6th century. Ang ibig sabihin, 600 years. Kasi in 1 century, 100 years. So, 600 years, lumabas ang Taoism compare sa Christianity. Tama ito lahat. Maling-mali ang Christianity. Dahil mas una ito kaysa Christianity.